We are now in the kitchen, which is the heart of this home. The kitchen is open to the breakfast area and living room spaces. We wanted this kitchen to feel like it was comfortable, yet very functional. This kitchen was an actual remodel, just like the rest of the main floor. So we wanted to make sure that we were being savvy with the remodeling choices. Therefore, we were able to keep some of the existing elements in this kitchen while still doing a full makeover. We replaced all of the kitchen cabinets, however, we were able to keep the countertops for the kitchen island and the perimeter. We were also able to save our kitchen backsplash, so those elements were able to save us a lot of cost and put some of the funds into other elements of the space. We chose to keep these natural stone countertops because we really loved the way they looked and they also had a lot of value. My favorite part was that the kitchen island was actually in a lighter gray tone, while the perimeter of the kitchen had a darker stone color, which created a very nice contrast against the kitchen island. The cabinetry on the perimeter of this kitchen is crisp white and it really blends well with the open concept space. The island needed to be something that was a little bit more dramatic and help anchor the space, so we chose a darker paint color for the center island. To give the cabinets a little bit of an industrial feel, we went with black hardware. That black hardware adds a little bit of touch and drama. When we overhauled this kitchen, we gave the hood a whole new look. We decided to give it a little bit of a farmhouse-inspired style while still feeling contemporary. The hardwood floors that run from the front door carry in right into the kitchen, which adds a lot of warmth and contrast to the white cabinetry. Another element of warmth at the kitchen island are the bar stools. These wicker bar stools add a pared down feel, which have a relaxing touch and tie right into the rest of our main floor spaces. What's wonderful about this kitchen is that it has a ton of natural light. However, we also added a lot of pot lights during the remodel, as well as under counter lighting and a beautiful chandelier that helps anchor the island. This amazing kitchen remodel gave this space the refresh that it really needed, and it's a wonderful place for the family to gather with friends and family.